Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is branches of biology. There are 16 branches of biology. Biology is a vast subject for convenience and easy learning. It is divided into 16 branches. Morphology, the first branch is morphology. Morphology is the study of form, shape and structure of the living organisms. The second is anatomy. Anatomy is the branch of biology in which we study the internal structure of the living organisms. Internal structure like the internal body parts like stomach, like heart, like liver, like lungs. Histology. Histology is the branch of biology in which we study about the functions, compositions of tissues. What are tissues? Tissues is a group of cells which perform a specific functions in the body. So in histology we study about the tissues of plants and animals, in which we study about animal and plant tissues. Physiology. Physiology is the branch of biology in which we study about the functions of the different body parts of the living organisms. Like in our body, like in human body, different body parts are present. Like stomach, what is the function of stomach? It helps in digestion. Like kidneys perform excretion. So in physiology, we study about the functions of the different body parts of the organisms. Embryology. Embryology, key word for embryology is embryo. The words which are mentioned, that is embryo. Embryo is a fertilized egg. What is embryo? Embryo is fertilized egg. In embryology, we study about the embryo, in which we study about the different developmental stages of an organism from a fertilized egg to a whole organism. So, in embryology, we study about the embryo. Taxonomy. The key word for taxonomy is classification. Taxonomy का keyword है classification. What is classification? Classification means the naming, arrangement of the living organisms into groups and subgroups is called taxonomy. Cell biology or cytology. Cell biology or cytology is the same thing. Cell biology or cytology के आगे keyword mention है cells and organelles. ये की वर्ड्स इस वजह से मेंशन किए हैं कि अगर स्टूडेंट से पूरा डेफिनेशन भूल जाए और अगर एक ये की वर्ड याद हो तो आसानी से स्टूडेंट इस की वर्ड की मदद से पूरी डेफिनेशन लिख सकेगा. सेल बायोलॉजी और साइटोलॉजी, द की वर्ड इज सेल्स एंड ऑर्गेनेलीज. In cell biology or cytology, we study about the cells and organelles. There are different organelles which are present in the cells, and each organelle perform a specific function inside the cells. Paleontology. Paleontology का keyword है fossils. Fossils. What are the fossils? The trace of an organism of past geologic ages that has been preserved in Earth's crust. So fossils. Extinct organisms. Fossils क्या है? Extinct organisms हैं. So in paleontology we study the fossils of plants and animals. So it is divided into two parts, paleontology and paleontology is divided into two parts, that is paleobotany and paleozoology. Paleobotany is the study of plant fossils and paleozoology is the animal fossils. Botany means plants, zoology means animals. So paleobotany is the study of plant fossils and paleozoology is the study of animal fossils. Immunology. The key word for immunology is immunity, defense system. Immunology is the branch of biology in which we study about the defense system of our body, the defense system which protect us from different diseases, Entomology, key word for entomology is insects. Entomology is derived from a Greek word entomon, means notched, refers to segmented body parts of the organisms. In entomology, we study the insects Entomology is the scientific study of insects. Genetics. Keyword is genes. What is gene? What is gene? Segments of DNA. Segments of DNA. Genetics. Genes. Keyword for genetics is genes. Genes are the segments of DNA. What is the function of gene? Genes control specific characters. By the help of genes, different characters are transferred from parents to the offspring. Gene is the unit of heredity. So in genetics, we study about the genes and the different characters which are transferred from parents to the offspring. Biotechnology. Keyword is welfare of humanity. In biotechnology, we study about the different techniques which are used for the welfare of human beings. In biotechnology, we study the use of the organisms for the welfare, for the benefits of the humanity. Environmental biology or ecology. Environmental biology and ecology is the same thing. इस ब्रांच के दो नेम हैं. Environmental biology भी इसको हम कहते हैं, ecology भी इसको हम कहते हैं. In environmental biology or ecology, we study the relation between the organism and environment. In environmental biology, we study about the relationship between the organism and environment. Now, the next is parasitology. Parasitology. Keyword for parasitology is parasites. What are parasites? Parasites means any disease causing agent. Any disease causing agent. हर वो agent जो कि disease cause करता है plants में, animals में, human beings में, such disease causing agents are called parasites. So, in parasitology, we study about the parasites and all aspects of parasitism. What is mode of transmission of parasites? What are the symptoms of the parasite? What are the symptoms of diseases which are caused by the parasites? What are effects? So, these are the different aspects. So, in parasitology, we study about the parasites and all aspects of parasitism. Sociobiology, social behavior. In sociobiology, we study about the social behavior of the organisms like humans, like bees, like ants, and we study about or investigates about their beneficial aspects of the organisms living in the same area. Pharmacology. The key word for pharmacology is drugs. Pharmacology is derived from Greek word pharmakon. Pharmakon means drugs. So, pharmacology is the scientific study of drugs. Drugs, medicines. In pharmacology, we study about how the synthesis of drugs, what are the effects of drugs, what is biological activity, and what is the delivery of drugs. So, in pharmacology, we study all aspects of the drugs. It is the scientific study of drugs. Drugs की जब हम बात करते हैं तो इसमें नार्कोटिक्स, मेडिसिन्स दोनों कैटेगरी कवर्ड होती हैं. ड्रग्स को डिफाइन हम कैसे करेंगे? व्हाट इज़ ड्रग? ड्रग मीन्स एनी कंपाउंड विच कैन मॉडिफाई द बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शंस ऑफ द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. Drugs means any compound which can modify the biological functions of the living organisms. So, in pharmacology, we study about the drugs. It is the scientific study of drugs.